Good evening. I'm Steve Dunn. And tonight we're privileged to witness an event of real significance. The presentation of the first annual Motor Trend Award to Ford for the most important advancement made in 1956 by an American production car. Mr. Robert E. Peterson, publisher of Motor Trend magazine, will now present this award to Mr. L.D. Crusoe, Executive Vice President, Car and Truck Divisions of Ford Motor Company.
Mr. Crusoe, it's a great honor to present this award to Ford. Every member of our staff named Ford's contribution to safety of the automobile passengers as the most noteworthy achievement of the year. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mr. Peterson. We're proud of this recognition. We're even more proud of the record that Ford's safety features have already established in protecting passengers from accident injuries. In accepting this trophy, we at Ford would like to have you know that we are continuing our extensive research in the field of automotive safety.
Here's what this important safety award means to you. When you step inside the 1956 Ford, you actually surround yourself with safety features designed to protect you from the major causes of accident injuries. For example, every 1956 Ford has lifeguard double grip door latches to give you extra protection from the doors springing open. And every Ford has this lifeguard steering wheel with a deep center construction to help prevent contact with a recessed steering column. You can get Ford's lifeguard padding on the instrument panel and sun visors, and Ford's nylon seat belts. In hundreds of cases now on file, these lifeguard design features have proved that they do save lives. Yet, better passenger safety is only one of Ford's achievements for 1956. Recently, this Mobile Gas Economy Run trophy was awarded to a 1956 Ford Custom Line Victoria V8. Over a grueling 1,400-mile course from Los Angeles to Colorado Springs, this Ford V8 was the official winner in economical performance over every other car in its class. And as for action, Ford won this manufacturer's trophy in competition at the Daytona Beach Speed Run. Victories were shared by this Ford Thunderbird, these two Ford Sunliners, and in the main event, the Grand National Championship race, this Ford V8 beat every other car in its class. Well, that's the story of Ford's proven leadership. Ford goes first in economy, in performance, and in safety. Naturally, Ford is proud of these achievements. But more than that, Ford is proud to share them with you. Because when you step into a 56 Ford, you're qualifying for the added protection, the savings, the sizzling go that earn these awards. Remember, performance makes the Ford V8 the largest selling 8 in the world.